What's up guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add the FIFA World Cup 2026 fixtures to your Outlook calendar. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open Outlook on the web and click the calendar icon from the left sidebar. Next, open a new browser tab and go to fixture.es. From there, choose the teams you want to follow, or select Follow All Teams if you want to complete World Cup schedule. Once the fixtures are displayed, find the Microsoft Outlook button, right-click it, and select Copy Link Address. Now, go back to Outlook and click Add Calendar from the left sidebar. Choose Subscribe from Web, then paste the calendar link into the provided field. Give your calendar a name, such as FIFA World Cup 2026 fixtures. If you like, you can also choose a color and icon for the calendar. Finally, click Import. After a few moments, the World Cup fixtures will appear in your Outlook calendar and will automatically update if any match schedule changes. And that's it. That's how you can add the FIFA World Cup 2026 fixtures to your Outlook calendar. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.